What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we have the Ford Coupe that we recently just started from Lindberg. You can build this kit 3 different ways. You can build it as a California Highway Patrol stock or kind of like a street rod. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So the first thing we did on this model was we glued the top part to the lower part. The part where the fenders are and the grille is all separate from this upper part of the body, so we went ahead and glued that together. So there you can see the glue seam there. And we did start working on the engine. And we cut the hood so we can run the custom engine that's offered as an option on this kit. So here's the piece we cut out. Go ahead and show you guys the instructions. So here's for the custom. You get the custom air cleaner and the custom air cleaner base that goes on the tri-carb manifold. And the stock engine is just right there. You get one air cleaner in the middle. We are currently at step number 5. We got to put the rear axle assembly into the frame, some pipes. But that's where we are right now. Here's a look at the decals. You get 2 flames. So if you want to do like a fade like it was on the box, you would use this set here, and then I think this is just if you want to run flames on it. Got some Ford decals, Ohio license plate that we're definitely going to use. Can't quite make out what this state is on that one. And some Ford Deluxe decals, different options. Another license plate there for California. There's your California Highway Patrol decals there. Some really nice decals. So here's the interior tub. Here's our clear glass parts. So you got the rear windows there, your front and back windshield, your headlights, and then you got some extra lights here for the spotlights and the sirens if you wanted to do the police car. Here's our frame. I'm just gonna glue all the steering assembly and stuff like that on and just paint it one solid color. You do get 2 rim options. You have these custom rims, or you can go with the classic dog dish style Ford rims. There's the air cleaner assembly for the custom engine. Bumpers, you do get 2 different grille options. So the first one you get is this one right here, which is the stock one, which we are going to use. There's also another engine piece. I think that's if you wanted to run the stock engine. There's your radiator and some rim trim. Here's the stock air cleaner. You got your radiator fan. Looks like an antenna for the police car here. There's your stock rims and police radio, looks like, and some exhaust. Here we have some suspension. Looks like maybe the front leaf spring, rear seat, some wheel backs, and 61 and 60, whatever those parts are, not quite sure. There's some wheel hubs. Some other miscellaneous parts, not sure what those ones are either. But here's the custom grill that you can run. Like I said, we're just gonna run stock on it. Here's some seat backs. Here's that rear axle. So the axle and the leaf spring is all connected with the drive shaft. And here's our dash and our steering wheel, which definitely has a lot of little injection points on it that need to be cut off and cleaned up. But that's all the parts on the tree. We're gonna run a custom color, not sure yet what it would be. You do get 2 sets of tires. You get a skinny set and you get a fatter set here. So what I'm gonna do is run these fat tires in the back, then run a set of skinnies in the front, kind of like a drag style. Hopefully you guys enjoyed taking a look at the next project on the bench. Hopefully as we get into it, I'll have some more videos to show you guys and progress and things like that. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.